Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties YouTube channel. Today we bring to you another property which is also located on Sarjapur Road. It's on the main road towards Sarjapur. It's a beautiful property. As you could see, the villa which is right in front is a 3 BHK villa. It's got a beautiful backyard and it's on a plot area of 40/60. As you could see on the left, you have a 2-car park space, side by side car parking, and there's an access from the car park towards the backyard directly from the side, and towards the right side there's a small garden and also a small access towards the backyard. So now let's walk into the villa. The villa that you see is a west facing villa. You also have options in east and other facings as per your preferences. The entrance to the villa, that's the main door. The main door has got a wooden, it's a pretty decent wooden sized door with a fixed glass panel on the side. As we enter into the villa, on the left you could see the living room or the living area. Behind the living area is the dining, and on the right side to the dining is the kitchen. And they have another living area, you could call it the living area 2. That's the living area 2 that I'm talking about, which has an access to the backyard and the outdoor deck. So I'll show you how the villa looks from inside. So that's the dining area, and we'll show you the living area from the other side as well. As you could see, the main door, there's a fixed glass panel on the side, and that's the living area. After the living area is connected to the dining area, that's the dining table here. It's a 6-seater dining table, nicely designed in between 2 living areas. And the second living area, which I'll show you, is on the other side, which is closer to the that's the other living area. And towards the right, before I take you outdoors, is the kitchen. And after long, I've seen a kitchen which has got a door. It's a closed kitchen, as you could see. We're entering into the kitchen. The kitchen is spacious, and it's got another door which opens out to the utility area. As you could see, that's the door of the kitchen. You close it out and then it becomes just another room. And from the kitchen you have an access to the utility area, open utility area where you could wash your dishes, do all the cleaning stuffs and everything. The utility is connected to the backyard. That's how it is connected. could have the maids access this directly towards the utility. Now we'll take you back inside and we'll show you the kitchen from the side of the utility. That's the door, kitchen door, main entrance for the kitchen, and we'll take you back into the living area and then towards the outer deck. Now that's the outer deck area. They have used wood themed tiles, and this could be used as a nice outdoor seating, or you could, instead of this wood, if you do not want the tiles on the deck, you could have a nice little garden. This is the view of the backyard. You could do a little bit of gardening. You could remove some of the tiles there, and maybe you could have a nice little garden. Not very huge, but a decent space. Now as we take you back inside, we'll show you the view of the ground floor from the backyard. That's how it looks. As I told, living area 2 just right here, then you have the dining area, and then you have the living area, which is right at the main entrance. As we walk back in, this floor has got a guest bedroom or a parent's bedroom and a common toilet. It's a full-fledged common toilet with a bath cubicle. And now we enter into the bedroom number 1, the guest or the parent's bedroom on the floor, ground floor. That's how the bedroom looks the moment you enter. It's a decent sized bedroom. That's the wardrobe closet. They've done wood paneling on the walls as well, as you could see. They've got 2 windows here, so you could have cross ventilation and ample of light. They've used wood panelings on the walls and also on the ceiling. That's the dressing area. Now we walk back into the living area. Now let's walk onto the first floor. On the first floor, we have 2 bedrooms and a living area on the first floor, and it has got 2 balconies. One balcony is connected to the living area, as you could see right there in front of you. To the right is the children's bed. The children's bed is also attached with the balcony. That's the children's bedroom. Is attached with a washroom and a toilet. As you could see, it has got a shower cubicle. The washrooms are a decent size, and also it has a small balcony. That's the balcony, which overlooks the backyard. So we walk back into the living area on the first floor, and then we go to the master bed. The master bed has got wooden panel flooring. It's got windows on both the walls, so again you get good light and good air, cross ventilation. The master bed is of double heighted ceiling. Ceiling is slanted. The pitch roof gives it a nice, elegant, old style feel, old school feel. That's how the master bedroom looks like. The master bed is attached with the toilet bathroom. To the left is a balcony. And that's the view on offer from the balcony. We now walk towards the second floor. Second floor has got one room, one covered room. This could be you could either convert it into a fourth bedroom. Let's see. Or you could use it as a home theater or media room, or maybe even your office, that whatever suits you. From the fourth room you have two accesses to the terrace, and on the left. There is a toilet and a bathroom, a washroom here on the second floor. So that's the view from the second floor. And that's how the terrace looks from the other end. They've given a spiral staircase. That's for maintenance or something. Maybe they've got overhead tanks and all of that. So for maintenance and all, this would be the access. Liking, keep sharing, and do let us know in comments. Do let us know in comments if you want us to cover what points we're missing out and how do you want us to cover, which suggestions are welcome. Also, if you're interested in buying any of these villas, you can see the numbers down here on the screen as well. Do give us a call and we would be happy to get you the best prices. Thank you so much.